do today, man?
What'd you say?
I'll stay here.
Why?
I can't outrun nobody.
I gotta turn this thing back on now. Down. Stupid old you stupid kill yourself. Shit went down.
Where'd you go?
Brawo, Julia!
Yeah, I'm getting better. Get up there. Getting better at the jumps and keeping steady throttle, gripping with my, oh, looks like I might be about to get in trouble here. Ugh.
You got a problem, guy?
I don't think so, why?
Fucking ripping on my driveway?
What driveway?
Coming in there?
Huh?
Coming in there?
I was coming flying through? I always try to come through slow.
I got you on camera.
Huh?
Yesterday, I got you on camera.
Well, I was going fast. I always try to cut through slow in places.
Yeah, but I just got you on my camera. Wheeling down my... You're the one
Wheeling? I don't even know how to wheelie.
No?
No.
It was a fucking white bike, man.
I don't even know how to wheelie, dude.
Yeah, man. I don't like nobody out here anyway.
Alright, I'm out of here then.
Yeah. No, I really thought that was...
Nah, man, I just talked to like 4 people coming through here, another bog owner, and everybody told me just to try and cut through and not tear shit up. But if you don't want me out there at all, then...
Yeah. No, really, it was a white bike, white fender.
Nah, I don't even know how to wheelie, man.
But I was assuming you weren't gonna stop if you were the guy.
Nah, everybody, I'll always stop if you come up to me, dude.
Alright, man, yeah. All right.
Do you want me out of here?
Yeah, no, I really don't like doing it.
Alright, yeah, I'm out of here then.
Crazy.
Yeah. Nah,
really
you
like-
came in hot, I was like, holy shit.
Like, I like normal, and then there's people that flip you off, or like, literally, I have a guy on my security camera, literally on one wheel going down my driveway, turning around, coming back down my driveway.
Nah, not me, I don't know how to wheelie.
Blocked off the trail coming in here. I'm like, the dude must have a problem with me blocking the trail off or something, because
Yeah.
back and forth, my neighbor called me, and I looked on
My grandmother lives right in the woods here, so I used to ride as a kid out here, and I just knew to cut through to get to her house. I live over
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I won't be out back here if you don't want me anymore.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah. Have a good one, dude.
Oh my god, dude. That guy was so mad. Just gotta show a little respect, I guess. So like I said, as soon as I started talking again.
Hallo, hallo. Confrontation. Is this the height of fucking neck, man? Hallo. So. Hallo. I have an idea. I don't need this. Maybe I should hide it.
I have an idea. Let's keep on going.
Oh, gas leaked out. Now he's thinking back. Now he thinks I left. Let's go. He comes back. I will like this. Like that. He's looking. He's looking for that. He's adjusting Let's him up, man. I'm gonna tie him with his own cable. Where is the X now? mother. I gotta think this through. Motherfucker, you won't with us dirt bikers no more, eh? Setting deadly traps. Motherfucker. It's the end for him. Wait a second. I'm gonna wake him up. Kaj s tabo? Kaj s tabo narobe, ha? Zakaj to delaš? Kaj si hotel? Ti bi sekal bi glave, Ti bi sekal glave, bi sekal, a? Zakaj si ta kabel postavil? Zakaj si kabel postavil?
Sem proti, da ne bi slučajno, ej.
Zakaj je bil kabel?
Ker se mi furate tukaj pošil.
In kaj si hotel doseči z njim? A ti glavo ti tale žepa kot bijem, a? Kaj se vozimo, prvič sem tukaj, a? Ti bi meni glavo za to odrezal, a? A? Kaj s tabo? Le evo, zdaj to zato, ker si to naredil. Videl si moj brat, pa naj s tabo naredil.
To mi inače ne pomeni tvojo, brat. Ti samo pa se ne vračaj več tukaj sem.
Prišel bom še sem in če bo tukaj kakšen kabel, bom pogledal zemljiško knjigo in zvedel, od koga je ta parcela in najebil boš.
Spasimo pa si
Kaj?
še videli.
Moja mami dela na nepremičninski, boš videl. Evo ti še ena pete. Kreten.
Der kleine ist, ja. Ich glaube, die 75 gibt wieder gleich. Das ist 200. Die,
Das ist 200.
Bock ist bestimmt.
Ja, das ist
Circle Wheelie! Do you think it's a problem with Thanks. Thank you. Servus.
Заканчивайте нахуй эту, блядь, дифферансы свои, блядь.
Okay, sorry.
Блядь, заканчивайте нахуй. Я прошу, блядь, пока по-человечески.
Yeah. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Давай.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Passt du, wir hauen ab. We go. Bitte?
Ja, das ist ein Problem.
dass jemand hier...
Achso, oh, was da? Nein.
Wenn nicht, dass jemand hier...
Ach so, ja, okay. Don't worry. Yeah, sorry.
Finish.
Yeah, sorry.
Kannst du bitte...
Ja.
Danke.
Yeah, sorry.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye, ciao.
Tschüss.
Have a nice evening. Bye.
Na warum? Das ist crazy.
Ich habe kein Wort verstanden.
Yeah. He said bled. That's why I think he's Ukrainian.
This is Syrian.